Okay, so I want you guys to actually hear this thing start up and all that. I know you've already heard it already before, but the one in the background right now is the 61 over there in the corner, because I gotta move this one. This one's done. Let's see what's up. Yeah, that's how my beauty runs right there. So you guys want to see the interior now? Finally finished it. Just finished it a second ago. Let's check it out, you guys. So we burned all the holes and everything, did everything the correct way. But it's all brand new interior in here. These are the old mats. Nice beautiful stuff in here, classic stuff. Back's done. Everything's good here. And this is that old school where they cover over to match with the outside sometimes. But this is the original interior in here. This is some extra here. But yeah, this thing's running nice and perfect. Then we got the 61 over there running. So I'm gonna go take this for a test drive real quick, and I'll get back with you. Hog side.